so here we are. About to take the majority of this up. Look at this. Look at this carpet. This looks like a murder scene. Ridiculous. Redunculous. So this is where we are. Difficult, so I'm pretty sure the tile on the wall is going to be extremely difficult. Painted a few walls, calling it a night because we got to get up bright and early for round 2. haul here. I think this is the last bit of Valentine's because it's time to decorate. What I have here is pretty much all that I'm gonna make. I have a few DIYs to do, but other than that, Valentine's is done. So let's jump right in. Very first thing, I grabbed the Target dollar spot. I actually purchased some of these maybe about a year ago. I love to use these for the girls when I spray, you know, spray their hair. Perfect to use in a bathroom. I don't know, these were just really cute and $3. Target dollar spot is also putting out a bunch of their spring items. I can never go wrong with stems, and spring decor is coming up, so I thought these were perfect. These were $5 from the Target dollar spot. I took a little trip to Bath and Body Works. Wasn't really excited about the semi-annual, but I did need some stuff for Valentine's. And I picked up strawberry pound cake and champagne toast for the kitchen for Valentine's because I like everything to match, and the kitchen is going to be a pink theme, so I thought that was perfect. I also picked up 2 room sprays because I have to have these in my car and in my house. I got strawberry pound cake, my favorite, and watermelon lemonade.
Watermelon lemonade?
Yes, love those too. I can show this, but it's not like decor related. I just picked up some bras from TJ Maxx. I love these. These are so comfortable to either work out in, to wear around the house. I am a sports bra type of girl, so these work better for me. $16.99 from TJ Maxx. I didn't say $6.99, I said $16.99.
$16.99.
Yes. I also picked up more towels. I feel like I didn't have enough pink for the kitchen, so I got these from Ross for $5, and it just says hugs and kisses, and they're just like a really soft pink. I also picked up 4 of these little plastic plates from Hobby Lobby, 40% off at $2.99. This is gonna go on the table. The table setting for Valentine's isn't gonna be like super extravagant. It's gonna be really simple, but I thought these were perfect. I also grabbed this little cute little pink heart envelope for the kitchen here, 40% off at $2.49. I always love their little filler pieces. Their filler pieces are so perfect to decorate with. Dollar Tree again, I picked up some more cute little socks for Marley for $1.20, $1.25, and I grabbed some more Valentine's Day plates. So you guys saw on the Valentine's Day hunt that Five Below had some really cute items. There wasn't a lot that I wanted from Five Below, but I really thought that this was really cute, so I grabbed it for $3. I also picked up some candles for Marley's birthday, and they're just little sparklers. So this says the number 5, and these are some regular sparkler candles. So I always love to do these for their birthdays. I think it's just something fun to add to a birthday cake, and they were only $1. These were on sale. These look really high end. Honestly, this looks like something that could be featured at Pottery Barn, and I think I got them both for less than $4. Now this next item solely, I don't even know, I'm so ashamed that I have this because I have opted out of buying these altogether because I have no space for them. But when I went through my stash, I was like, I don't think I have anything for the kitchen display. So I bought this cute little Ray Dunn glass that is like a pink iridescent. Now if a collection looked like this, can you imagine like measuring cups, a canister that looks like this? Because it's not that regular iridescent, it has a pink color to it. Beautiful. They come out with pieces like this sporadically, and you're just like, why isn't this a collection? Why isn't this a set of measuring cups? But I got this $5.99 from Marshall's. And I also picked up this, they call it a scatter rug, but I love to get these for like holidays. I think I first purchased one for Thanksgiving, and I love the way it looks. So I needed something pink for the kitchen. $25 from Marshall's. All right, let's jump into Easter. I'm not a big fan of decor for Easter. Like I said, I feel like it's my least favorite holiday to decorate. There's only so much you can do with carrots and bunnies. Dollar Tree had these cute little bottle cleaner carrots here. So cute. I thought that this would be cute to just place somewhere. I think I'm gonna place it in my utensil container. So just grab these for $1.25. Last, I think I'm gearing more towards getting out of the colorful scheme of Easter. I want my Easter to be more neutrals, stuff like that. So I saw this at this was Big Lots and it was only $8. I think this is adorable. I think I have something similar to this thing, but I thought that this was so cute, and this is more of the Easter style that I like. Last, I grabbed Marley a new little quilt set here. All of her old quilts are trashed. She trashed them all. So I was at home earlier today and this was 50% off. So instead of it being $40, I got it for $20. And it's just a really soft pink. It's just a really soft pink color here. What'd you say?
I love it. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
She's so dramatic. You're welcome, baby. This is what we woke up to. And it's still snowing. It's so nice. Guys, it's still snowing. It's so peaceful out here. Look at this. Uh-oh. Is it a snowball fight? Get her, Mars. Get her, Marley. What are you doing? So we got the old drywall down. Justin put that up. I don't know, I guess he was testing it. So we got fresh new drywall. And we're about to put it up. about the roads are clearing up a little bit. I really needed to find like Addie, as well as myself, as well as Marley, some fitted sheets. Found them all at TJ Maxx. I literally found them all at TJ Maxx. So I picked up some slim chickens for lunch. I don't really like this place. Chick-fil-A was closed, so this was the next best thing. So Justin's getting off early. Gotta run back by Lowe's. I really needed to go to Walmart because I'm out of my setting powder from Black Opal. I used a different setting powder today. It looks weird, but I don't have the energy to go to Walmart. Y'all want to know what's so crazy? There's still a really thick layer of snow everywhere. But it's going to be 60 degrees next week. I think the high is like 62. It was just 0 degrees. Literally 0. I'm so excited to finish up the fireplace. I think it's going to look phenomenal. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think we're gonna cut off, I may cut off the footage on this vlog, and you'll see the end result on the next weekly vlog, because I didn't want to cram it all. Plus we still have so much more to do, but I'm so excited to finish this fireplace. I know it's gonna be fun. I just know it.